What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel, or if you're new here, which you probably are if you clicked on this video, welcome. Glad to have you here. Anyway, it is February 18th, 2022, and I figured I would go back and revisit Nicehash Quick Miner. A lot of people are using it and continue to use it because they're getting good results, and it just works. It's pretty simple. So this is how to get mining and get set up mining in seconds. So I'll just show you what I did and show you how it works, and you can go from there, and maybe you can try it out, see if you like it. If you don't, nothing ventured, nothing gained, right? So let's go over here and click. I'm gonna click off this. We'll go to new scene. My bad. Minimize that. All right, so you're gonna go to nicehash.com, and then you're gonna click on try mining now. Once you do that, it's gonna ask you, or it's gonna start downloading a Nicehash Quick Miner exe down here. It's gonna tell you to click on that, so you just click on your download, whether it goes there or in your downloads folder. Once you click on that, it'll run a little black screen. It'll close that down, and then your page will look like this. So your projected profitability for your devices, and it'll list your devices down here. So I have two 3060s, and then I have a CPU. I'm not going to turn my CPU on because that will make my stream go like haywire. But if you're doing light tasks on your computer, like watching YouTube videos or just browsing the internet, you normally can mine on your computer and or on your graphics cards and not your CPU, and you have no issues. Now, if you get into some heavy gaming, mining on your graphics cards while you're gaming is going to be a no-no because it's going to make stuff crash. But I mine on my 3060s in this computer, and I still use it for YouTube and all kinds of stuff. And really, I can't notice any difference. Now, if your devices are not listed here, they may not be in the supported hardware list, and you may actually have to download the full Nicehash client. I'm going to work on an updated video for 2022 on that. But for right now, all you have to do is click on try mining now, and hopefully my stream doesn't get all choppy. So you click on that, and it'll start calculating, and you'll see your hash rate start popping up down here. So we'll give that a second and let it spool up. So, all right, so this one's at 28 mega hash. That one's at 48. These bad boys do about 48 to 49 mega hash when I'm not streaming. Now I am streaming, or well, sorry, I'm recording, so that is probably going to hold my mega hashes down. And now that's adjusted my profitability to 0.000081 BTC. So let's pause that real quick. 0.0123 zeros, and we'll go over to BTC to USD. 0.123481. That comes out to $3.26 a day. Not great. If I was getting my full hash rate, it looks like it would be 9.2, which would be $3.70 a day. Still not great. But right now profitability is down on mining. So that's kind of a thing. So a good way to cross-reference and see what your cards should be or should be close to making is you can go over here onto whattomine.com, and just select your card. Let's go ahead and select the 3060. There we are. It's right there. And it should have been doing 48 mega hash. Calculate that bad boy out. And $1.88. So I have two of those. So it looks like we're not far off on the Nicehash calculator. $1.80. Oh man, I can't type here. 88 times 2 comes out to $3.76, and at 0.000092 BTC, it comes out to $3.74 a day. So about 2 cents variation there. That's within margin of error. Typically, Nicehash is slightly under that because they do take a little bit of a fee for essentially mining one coin and then paying you in another. So you're mining Ethereum normally on cards that can mine Ethereum, and they're paying you out in Bitcoin. So some people like that, some people don't. It's easy. Literally, you're up and mining in seconds. If you want to claim your Bitcoin and start mining for real, You literally just click on this, you register, and then you can still keep using the Nicehash Quick Miner in your browser, and it's just pretty much as simple as that. Let's go ahead and log in real quick. Let me see if I had my account saved, and I'll show you what the Quick Miner looks like when you're logged in. Alrighty, so we go over to mining. Where was it? Oh, there it is. Okay. So when you go over to the mining tab, you click on download miner or ASIC, and then you just click on Nicehash Quick Miner. So they kind of changed to where it was at location wise. Still pretty easy. So you just click on download Quick Miner. It'll give you another EXE down below. And then you will need this address. Use this address when setting up your Quick Miner. That essentially lets the miner know where to deposit the funds to. Once you get your funds, they'll actually go to your wallet, and this is your wallet right here. So you can click on that. That'll bring up your wallet and show that you have some old BTC right there. And when you want to withdraw it, just click on withdraw. I have no reason to deposit crypto into this account. I only withdraw. So there you go, guys. I'm not currently using Nicehash, just letting you guys know. I'm direct mining Ethereum and getting paid out in Ethereum, but this is a good way for people to get up and running and up and started pretty quick. I think the minimum withdrawal was still somewhere around... Hold on 1 second and I'll find out. All right, there we go. There we go, guys. I found the section that has the minimum withdrawals. So the minimum withdrawal for BTC to any BTC wallet is 0.0005. That is currently $20. So any Bitcoin wallet, you need to mine up about $20 worth. So if you make $1 a day, that'd be about 20 days. If you use the Lightning Network, which I don't use enough, but it's only 80 cents. So you can get paid out basically every day. There are other options, so you can get paid out, I guess, to your bank account, or you can swap it to Litecoin or Ethereum. I have no experience on using the exchange on Nicehash because it's still not available to U.S. residents, and I am in the U.S., so I can only mine it and then withdraw it. That's pretty much it. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully that clears some stuff up. If you have any questions, please comment down below, and hopefully happy mining. I will be doing that updated Nicehash client video. The client does give you more control of what you're mining, whereas the Quick Miner basically just kind of finds the best one and does some tuning for you. And for a lot of people, that works great. In the past, I didn't really like the Quick Miner because when it first launched, it had some issues, but it seems to be that those are ironed out, and basically it finds the best coin to mine, and you get pretty much full hash rate using the Excavator mining program. And that is the mining program that Nicehash actually runs. So, of course they're going to use their mining program, Haha. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.